Settings feature tour in VeriDoc Sign. Log into your account and go to Settings from the navigation bar. In the Settings tab, the first section you will see is Organization Details. Over here, you can update your organization details, except for the unique organization ID. In the next section, you can see your membership status, details about the plan you are currently enrolled in, and your membership start date. You can also upgrade your plan from here. In the last section, you can change your default envelope settings. You can change the default date format and the default envelope visibility from public to private. That's it for today. Document verification using globally patented technology. Thank you for watching.